Just getting a car wash right now.
Please enter your code by touching. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward.
Alright, so nice sunny day. Still freezing though. Windy as heck. You had to start the day off with your Timmies. Actually, I had breakfast. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of a snack and my donut. Just gonna quickly get a car wash here, and we will shoot some film. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Trying to make this video short and sweet, but basically the main point of this video is to let y'all know that the car is back finally. Right now the car is back. I just got it back maybe 2 days ago. It's currently on a base tune, which peaks up at 25 psi. Still the break-in period. I still got to put about I would say 300 to maybe 500 more kilometers, taking it easy, and then from there on I can get it tuned. So currently, guys, I am waiting on a few things before I get this tuned. So I got my sensors coming in. I got the 4-bar and the 5-bar coming in, and I also got a dual pump fuel setup. So story behind this, guys, it was advertised as a Precision Raceworks dual pump kit. Basically the seller said that it was plug and play, didn't need anything to make it work. Got it in. It turned out to be basically the the Precision Raceworks fittings to Walbro 450 pumps. However, it was hack jobbed into an OEM fuel basket. So I'll probably link those clips in right now of what it looked like. You can see it's total hack job, just brutal. I got screwed. Lucky enough for me, the owner of Precision Raceworks said, I reached out to him. He said he's gonna help me out, just to send it to him, and he'll try to fix it up and make sure it's in working order, and he's going to sell me the remaining pieces that were missing to get it working. So big shout outs to him. I really appreciate it. Thank you to Daniel DBV2 for linking him to me, and you know, I got to send that out and everything will be good to go. So like I said, guys, just want to make this short and sweet, just let you know that the car is back. Probably take it for a quick drive. Hopefully you can hear just how it sounds like. I do want to show you the engine bay and everything, but the car is still extremely dirty under there. So it's a sunny day, but it's extremely cold, very windy. So I'll probably wait for a better day to show you guys that. But for now, enjoy the video clips, and we'll see you there. So, if I haven't said so already, I am back. Right now it's just on a base map right now, so I can't give it the beans, but I'm also still in break-in period as well. So since the motor rebuild, it's been about, I think, just about 300 kilometers so far on it. So I gotta baby this a little bit, but with the base map it is pretty safe. Definitely needs some refinement. It is a bit jumpy from time to time, but hoping you can hear some of the sounds with the new DBV2 V2 turbo and the new turbo inlet. You can hear it spool a lot better. I'm not actually used to driving this car anymore. I'm actually a little bit scared to drive this. It feels really different. Yeah, it doesn't even feel like it's my car right now, but it's just been so long, I'm just getting used to it again. So in like first gear, when it starts building RPMs, that's when it's a little bit jumpy right now. So definitely have to get this tuned, but it's kind of fun. Alright, so we'll try this again. So I noticed on the other video, I had the mount for the camera on the windshield, so when it's on there it actually makes a lot more disturbance in the sound. It fluctuates a lot because of for you guys that know, there's like a motor right underneath it that vibrates it for the Golf R and the S3. So that's for like the fake sound. It tries to bring excitement inside the cabin, but yeah, so hopefully I attach it to the window this time, so hopefully we don't get that vibration sound to interfere. But hopefully you guys get a better sense of how it sounds in here with the new turbo and the turbo inlet. Okay, let's see if I can get into it a little bit here. Very quick. Very quick. Love it. Yes. Just need to wait to get it fully tuned, and then we can see definitely what this car is capable of. Did you hear that, guys? I'm not sure if you did. I have no idea where I am. So with this new turbo, I definitely have to get a different DSG tune. This Unitronic Stage 2 DSG tune, I don't think it's going to hold up with all the extra torque. I'm going to definitely need to have maximum clamping pressure on the DSG clutches there. test run. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it for the video. Like I said, just want to keep this nice and short. Hopefully I'll get a better day, not too cold. I can clean out the engine bay and show you guys underneath there. But yeah, stick around till the end. There's going to be a little bit of a surprise for my plans for the summer. Obviously, with the whole pandemic going on with COVID-19, I'm definitely going to be might be on the sidelines with that, but we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, and like I said, thanks for joining in for another video, and we shall catch you on the next one.